Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the battery or unplugging the toy. That prevents shorts and preserves delicate components. Once done, use a magnifier and flashlight to inspect seams, screws, connectors, and obvious corrosion on contacts. You should measure battery voltage with a multimeter to verify power delivery, because a weak battery mimics electronic failure. If screws are hidden, search for rubber plugs, remove them carefully. Keep screws organized, and photograph the layout so you can reassemble correctly. You now diagnose the internal electronics. Test continuity across switches and connectors and measure voltages under load to reveal drops. Once done, inspect solder joints for hairline cracks. Flex the board gently to see intermittent faults. You should replace obvious bad components, motors, speakers, bulbs, or resolder cold joints with a fine tip. Make sure to observe polarity when fitting new parts, because reversed diodes or caps cause immediate failure. Label replaced parts so you can verify the repair path. You finish by reassembling the toy carefully. Align connectors and route wires away from gear so nothing binds. Once done, insert fresh batteries and perform full functional tests. Push every button and engage moving parts for several minutes to catch heat or intermittent failure. Make sure to let any replaced solder cool and to wipe flux residue. If it misbehaves, try one key troubleshooting tip. Use contact cleaner on switches and reflow suspect solder joints. That fixes most intermittent faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.